Fit type. Vehicle specific. Package dimensions. 2.0 hx 8.8 L by 15.0 W centimeters. Country of origin. United States. Package weight. 0.039 kilograms. Edelbrock part number 8026 GM transmission adapter is for use with 2004 R700 R4, 4L60 transmissions. This kit relocates the pin position on an Edelbrock carburetor when hooking up to a throttle valve style transmission, 700 R4, 2004 R, 4L60. The pin location is critical as the TV controls line pressure, shift points, shift firmness, and part throttle downshifts. Top reviews from the United States. Worked great. I was hesitating first about buying this, but glad I did. It is perfect position for linkage. My 700 R4 transmission shifts like it should, night and day difference with and without. If you're running a Edelbrock carburetor, this is a must-have.